carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. Checked bags will be available at the carousel. I'll let you know what carousel number that is once we open the front boarding door. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after we arrive at the gate so we may better assist you. For information on connecting flights and bag claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. We hope you enjoyed the JetBlue experience. If you receive an email survey about your trip, we'd love to get your honest feedback. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Boston-based crew, thanks again for choosing us. For those of you from the Syracuse area, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home.